When working with databases, it's common to use a database administration tool. It can be very tedious to administer a database through command lines using terminal. A popular tool designed for this purpose is PHP My Admin. This free tool allows us to administer our database through a graphical user interface, or GUI. At the same time, it preserves the ability to directly execute SQL statements to our database. PHP My Admin offers many commonly used administrative operations. This includes the ability to create, delete, and modify databases, tables, columns, relations, indexes, users, and permissions. We can also do many other tasks, including importing data from CSV and SQL, exporting data in various formats, creating graphical layouts of our database structures. This list is not exhaustive, and the tool provides many other features as well. Since PHP My Admin is an open source tool, it's very popular in the web development community. There's a wide range of documentation and support available for it. If you're taking this course as part of the Web Development Masterclass, you don't have to worry about installing PHP My Admin. It comes standard with our installation of WAMP or MAMP if you're using a Mac. We've also already installed it on our live testing server as part of one of the packages we configured during setup in a previous section. To access PHP My Admin on your local computer, click on the WAMP or MAMP icon. Make sure the server is running, so the icon should be green. From the menu, select PHP My Admin. And once you do that, you'll see that PHP My Admin launches in your web browser. Another way of accessing PHP My Admin is typing in this address, localhost/phpMyAdmin. And it'll take you to the same admin area.